Are you tired of all of those loud noises around you, especially if you're just studying outside or just in a cafe? But cafe itself is really loud. Then you might be needing this because this is a wireless headphones that I got from Temu. And as you can see, it's really aesthetically looking. And at the same time, it's very practical, especially if you're outside. You just want to listen to music, play video games, or just watch a movie or your favorite series. But the main purpose of this is for college students who wants to study outside and avoid those extra noises in the cafes or somewhere that sound or loud sounds might be present. And I don't even know if I'm still hearing the right or I'm still speaking the right words. But yeah, if you also want this is again available on demo. You can also get the link in my bio and do not forget to use my code to get a voucher. Again, my name is Anthony and feel free to follow.